Hey guys! Are fruits and veggies causing a headache in your house? They definitely do in my house. It's the hardest thing to get my child to eat fruit and veggies. But today, I have us covered. I got you. We are going to be making healthy fruit and vegetable gummies. Yes, gummies. How can you pass that up, right? Here's what you're gonna need: a saucepan, your silicone mold, your turkey baster, a spatula, a cup and a half of juice. I'm doing blueberries, blackberries, and spinach. 4 tablespoons of grass-fed gelatin, and 2 tablespoons of a sweetener of your choice. You can use honey, you can use agave, but today I am going to be using maple. With our gelatin mixed and ready to go, we're gonna use our turkey baster. I love using the turkey baster because it allows me to control the liquid in such a small space. All right, everything is all full. The next step is to put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours to let it chill and get firm. 2 short hours later, we have an array of healthy fruit and vegetable gummies. Now, there is a lot of flavoring you can do with these. I love combining kiwi and pineapple. The flavor options are definitely endless. And all of those fruit and vegetables you want your little ones to eat are now packed into this fun and delicious gummy. Safety check: these gummies can be a choking hazard. Make sure that they're age appropriate. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Give us a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.